Drug name Vatsanaba. Family Ranunculaceae. Botanical name Acontinum ferox. Synonyms are Amruta, Visha, Mita Visha. English name monkshood. Morphology Shupa. Chemical compositions are Acontine, Pseudo Acontine, Beta Acontine, Cosmo Acontine. Madhurarasa, Ruksha, Tikshna, Vivai, Vikasi Guna, Ushnavirya, Madhura Vipak. Indications are Jwaragna, Svedajanana, Hrudayottejaka, Pidanashaka, Shotahara, Agnimandya, Grahini, Tisara. Useful part Moola. Dosage 15 mg. Special formulations are Ananda Bhairava Rasa, Ramabhana Rasa, Kapha Ketu Rasa. Basonyms Vatsanasya, Nibhiriva, Nabhirasya itiva. The tuber of the Acontinum ferox resembles the umbilicus of calf. Synonyms are Amrutam Sat Vatsanabo Visham Ugram Maha Aushadam. Gharalam Maranam Nagam Syot Kakam Pranahakam. Gunakarmas are Visham Pranaharam Proktam Vyavaicha Vikasicha Agneyam Vatakafaharam Yogavahi Medoham. Tata eva Yukti Yuktam tu Pranadayi Rasayanam Yogavahi Tridoshagnam Brumhanam Viryavartanam. Rajanigantu Mishrikadi Vargaha.